DJI Neo 2, unboxing and first flight. Got that coming up next. Bill, drone reviewer here. Like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The DJI Neo 2 has arrived, and I'll tell you what, it has blown away my expectations more than just any other DJI drone has ever had. I am just so incredibly impressed with this. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and look at the unboxing. Hey, today we're going to go ahead and unbox the DJI Neo 2. I did get the version with the N3 controller and also the video transmission module on it. And there's the code to go ahead and scan if you want to do that. There's a top box here. I imagine most of the things we need are going to be in that. Here's the Neo 2. Take a look at that in a sec. Let's go ahead and open up this box here. DJI does not make this easy. And there's a cardboard sleeve in there, so let's go ahead and get that out. Let's go ahead and get out the controller. Battery pack. Cable. And propellers here. So let's go ahead and open this up here. Take a look. There's two batteries, and one battery is in the Neo 2 itself. And there's the USB cable for that. And here are two spare propellers. And here is the N3 controller. This is something everybody should be familiar with. See, the joysticks are here, and the USB port is there. And that is the antenna, which also serves as the smartphone holder. Okay, we got that out. And then there's the cable that you attach to your smartphone. And collapse the holder down, which serves as the antenna. And here's the Neo 2. Oh no, here's the instructions. And that is an incredibly tough bag to open. And we have a screwdriver in there to change the propeller. Nice decal set from DJI. And we have some quick start instructions for the Neo 2. And some warranty information. And some European agency information as well too. Here's the Neo 2 itself. Very small, very lightweight. The prop guards are already installed, as you can see on here. And there are these display screens up front. On the back, there's the video transmission module and the battery. Take a look on the bottom here. Take the lens cover off, and there we have it. Okay, that was the unboxing. Let's go ahead and take a look at the first flight. Okay, today we're going to take the DJI Neo 2 up for its first flight. It is an absolutely picture-perfect day. There's almost no wind. It's very calm. So you have 15 satellites here, and I think we're ready to go here. Let's go ahead and take off.
Take off.
Okay, it's certainly not quiet. We're going to be shooting in 4K 30, and we've started the video for that. So let's go ahead up to 100 feet and see what we get here. It is definitely, you can hear it, okay? There's absolutely no doubt about that. Okay, we are up at right at 100 feet. Let's adjust the gimbal a little bit here. So we can, remember we can do that here. So just let you guys know. Let's go ahead and go forward. And I am using the DJI RC2 for this. So let's go ahead and go. Out over the pool. It's looking pretty good here. Picked up some more satellites. We're at 21. We're in the parking lot with the quartz over here. Let's go ahead and over here. And let's go ahead and go to the front of the clubhouse here. Signal strength's actually looking pretty good here. Okay, I'm going to move in the shade here so I can see the screen better. See if we can get up to the fountain here. And again, we're shooting in 4K 30 right here. It's topping out at about 18 miles an hour right now. We're in normal mode. Still good signal strength. I'm using the RC2 obviously because I don't have to hook up the N3 controller. Plus, I think with the antennas, it may get a little bit better signal strength on here. Okay, and I am pointing in that direction, so. Wow, I am very impressed with the signal strength on this. Very impressed. Let's go ahead and go out a little bit. Let's turn around. And there's the fountain there. Okay, wow, this is good. I'm very, very, very impressed, especially with the signal strength. I'm seeing a little degradation of signal right now, as far as that's concerned. But all in all, you know, I am very pleased with that, because I think the one thing that I was a little apprehensive on was how well this would do with the signal, and it's really very much impressing me here. We're going to go ahead and do a return to home.
Return to home.
No warning messages at all. I did notice the bar go down just a little bit as far as signal strength, so I didn't want to go ahead and push our luck as far as that's concerned. Again, we'll do much more testing with the Neo 2. I just wanted to get it up for a first flight. We did the unboxing and wanted to really kind of shake it out, see how it was. My big thing again was looking at the signal strength, and I'm very, very, very impressed with that. That is very good. And you can hear it, and you know it's here. So let's go ahead and adjust the pitch of the gimbal.
Landing.
Okay, it's showing the H for home point, so let's see how we do here. Coming in smooth and steady. Very impressed. And it'll hit the mat. Wow, I am absolutely impressed. The Neo 2 has absolutely just blown me away on this first flight. I could not be more thrilled with it. The signal strength, the stability of it. I've yet to see the video. But I will tell you this, the battery does deplete very quickly. We started out at 99 and it's now 54. So just to let you know that. But all in all, a great first test flight of the DJI Neo 2. All in all, I could not have been more impressed with the first flight from a DJI drone. This thing just absolutely, totally blew me away, especially as far as the signal strength was concerned. Just a couple of items to note down. Number one, it did take a while to acquire some satellites. And number two, the battery did deplete pretty quickly on that flight. We went from 99 down to 54%. It's about 5 or 6 minute flight there. So just keep that in mind when you're taking this out. Question of the day. What did you think of DJI Neo 2 unboxing and first flight? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.